Hello stock traders, I hope all of you are having a fantastic morning. In today's video, we're going to talk about the all-important Fed rate hike decision that is coming out this afternoon. And I'm going to talk about different levels to watch, different things to look for. But before we get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, consider subscribing and turning on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. All right, so today is the day, the Fed rate hike decision. It is widely expected that we will see a pause in the market. And in fact, one Bank of America analyst is saying that we should see a very high push and a possible push and an upgrade to the end of the year on the S&P 500, that conditions will become favorable as we start to not be in this rate hike cycle and to start to see higher for longer, maybe rate hike pauses moving forward. And the dot plot is what you really want to look for. Let's get to the charts. I'm going to talk about different levels to look at, of course, on the S&P 500. Well, it's really simple in my opinion. Right now we're at 443. 450 is resistance, 440 is support. The breaking of either of those levels by end of day should give us clear market direction for the coming weeks, because there's not a lot of catalysts after this. There's not a lot of data after this. We could see one of those really nice moves to the upside if we get positive information. And anyway, as we look here, we have no buy or sell signals, although the heat map is in blue here on the S&P 500. So that's something to pay attention to. Usually that is when the market is cold, not doing well. You can see how that we have bounced off of this 440. And so it has become a important thing. In pre-market this morning, 444, 443.65 is right where we're at right at the moment. So a lot of indecision in the market. This is the catalyst that will put the market either into continuing the bull trend or entering a bear trend. And yes, price action is important when you have a trend. The trend is your friend and it goes in that direction. But don't be fooled. Catalysts move markets. And today is a catalyst for either bullish or bearish coming up this afternoon. So very pivotal, very important. Let's take a look at the triple Qs. Well, as we look at the triple Qs, resistance at 377, support at 366. Again, this is just my opinion, but looking at this, we are seeing a pullback. But overall, a bull trend on both the triple Qs and the SPY, and we have not broken that critical support by any means at the moment. The Russell has been going nowhere for about a year, and that could continue as small caps just aren't reacting like mega caps. Mega caps has been the big thing. I do expect, though, that if we get a bullish move in the triple Qs, for example, that we will start to see a bull run and we will see it broaden out. And so the Russell is going to be key to that, and watching the Russell for a move because it's gone nowhere. Right now, fear in the market, there really isn't any. I mean, we're at 1850 is the average. And we are continuously just getting beaten down here. Every time we get to 1850, we're getting beaten down again. And so this has been quite the run for the VIX. The market should move much higher based upon where the VIX is at the moment. Now, stocks to watch, really, there's not a lot of anything until after market, until we get the comments from Jerome Powell and we have a clear market direction. Right now, a lot of the market indicators are actually bearish because of this bearish move that we've had on the market. And so market timing is poor at the moment, but that can change in a hurry right now. Some different stocks that I am in. I've been talking a lot about Profire Energy, and this is one that I expect to continue to do well. I don't think oil and gas prices are going anywhere. And I think that this one, even though it's had all of these sell signals, I don't think the run is over in my opinion. Some other stocks that I really like. One is Select Quote. Talked about this in yesterday's video. And I like this for a move to the upside after strong insider activity reported. Another stock that has had strong insider activity is SMTC. I like both of these very much for a nice move. Some others, UFRD. This is Weatherford International. This is oil and gas. This is a market timing type strategy stock, and I'm expecting this one to do well also. Well, good luck today. I am personally being cautious until we have this rate hike decision and we know where we're going. I am not wanting to guess the trend. I'm not wanting to guess at all. I'm wanting to see the price action. Once the price action proves to me a certain direction and possibly a continued trend to the bull side or a brand new trend to the downside, then I will trade accordingly. But I'm wanting to see how the market reacts. I'm probably not going to do much of anything today. And so that is just my personal plan. Of course, follow your own due diligence in how that you want to trade this crazy market. But keep those levels in mind, and I know I'll be watching today. I don't know if you plan on doing so, but I definitely do so in Central Time at 1 o'clock. And I wish you all the best in the stock market. Please reach out to me in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and Raythoven out.